Morning, honey.
Hey, babe.
What are we doing today?
Filming.
Yeah, we are going to film some content for you guys, but it's a little chilly here in Louisiana, so we're going to go inside the clam and we're going to heat it with one of our new heaters.
Yeah, we have the Hcalory diesel heater. It's the toolbox version. We're going to warm the clam up so we can be outside.
Let's go.
Free to roll, ooh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey, free roamers, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm Sean, and if you don't, welcome if it's your first time here. Today I'm going to do another product review. It's getting close to winter time. It's 46 degrees here today in Louisiana, and it's getting chilly, it's getting cold. Luckily for me though, Hcalory has offered us the opportunity to do a review on their new toolbox diesel heater. This one is a little more compact. You can use it indoors, around your RV, the clam, where we'd most likely have a use for it. I just want to see how it sets up, how easy it is to use, how much heat it produces. I'm going to do the unboxing right now. All right, box o' goodies. Most of these diesel heaters, if you're familiar with them, are going to come with the same things. You know, we're going to have an exhaust pipe, a power supply, user's manual, that kind of thing. Okay, there we go. Exhaust pipe. That one looks like it carries a little more volume than maybe another one that I've tested. That's going to be, I'm guessing that's going to go on the intake, like a air filter or something. We got a smaller heat hose. Interesting. Huh. Now I'm really curious. This may be for a smaller, like that might be perfect for the clam. I don't know. Now I'm excited. I'm going to check this out. But you have the large one too. So here's the larger vent for the larger hose, and the smaller vent and a smaller hose. Okay, exhaust pipe muffler, pretty standard. Those are, you're gonna need those with anything that combustion engine, obviously. Hose clamps, fuel filter. This looks like it might be some mounting brackets, maybe for that smaller hose. It's gonna have a 12-volt power supply. And a cord, we'll see what that's for. That's going to be US. I'm going to guess that's the 110 power supply. Sure is. Okay, man, everything's really well packaged. And like I say, I'm really intrigued with this smaller hose and smaller vent. That may be a perfect setup for clam heat. And what I mean by that is usually you're going to have to run the heat underneath the clam, so you don't want all that hot air you know, touching the fabric and the canvas. But if that small hose can run underneath and make less contact, wow, that'll be cool. Let me get this unit out of the box. Okay, so as I said, this is the Hcalory, and it's the toolbox edition. It's supposed to look like a toolbox, and the shape and configuration are going to be a little more convenient than maybe some of the other boxy diesel heaters we've seen. User's manual. I'm going to set that off to the side so I do not forget it. Okay, really well packaged, really sturdy looking unit. Man, this thing is, first thing I noticed, it looks like a 80s boombox, but it's literally one hand lift. It's not super heavy. Also has key fob. Look at that. On off, temp up and down. That's handy. You know, you're sitting somewhere, you're in the shop, you're out in the clam, whatever, and you want to turn it up, turn it down, turn it off and on. Can't wait to check that out, test that. So here's your fuel. Pretty easy. Okay, here's your, looks like electric in, exhaust out, control panel here, which that might be a corded remote. Maybe that's what the cord's for, because it is zip tied there. I'll have to get in the user's manual and figure out if that's actually what it is. Toolbox on the back. Oh, I'm sorry, there's your exhaust. This is your out, and that's going to be your in. So air in, heat and exhaust out. All in all though, Hcalory has put together a pretty nice looking little unit here. I really like the little toolbox theme. It's seems pretty sturdy, and I've got a few ideas on how we're going to be able to use this thing. So stand by, we're going to get it installed and check it out.
We just want to let you guys know that this video today is going to be uploaded with our Connect 10 internet.
Yep, those guys were gracious enough to reach out and ask us if we wanted to check out their service. Seems pretty cool. We use it a lot on our travel days, particularly because it lets us stay connected in motion, because we don't have Starlink permanently mounted.
So when we take our Starlink down and I need to edit video or do homework while we're driving, I can use our Connect 10 because it stays connected.
Yeah, it's a great service for us. So anyway, that's what we used to upload this video.
What you got there, babe? You got our diesel heater you're going to hook up for us in the clam?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So you can sit in the clam and be warm.
Heck yeah, perfect on a day like today.
Yes, it's about 37 degrees here in Louisiana.
Definitely not quite 40 degrees. So, but just get everything laid out here, put it together for its initial use.
So how's this heater to set up? Pretty easy so far?
So far, I'm a little confused on the diagram.
Oh, you getting ready to heat my clam up?
Getting close.
Good deal. Why is it making noise? Is it on already?
Ignition sequence. One thing I do wish it had was a longer hose, but we could probably find some of that
hose
at
for
any,
which one? For the
output hose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or were you just going to stick it under the tent or something?
Yeah.
Oh, what was that? Did it say?
So it's still 46, 47 degrees out here.
How long is it supposed to take to heat up? Like when you turn it on?
I think 3 minutes.
In the clam here, and it was 46 degrees ambient air. My thing inside says it's closer to 40 degrees, but
Yeah.
Sean's got the diesel heater all set up. You got it coming in here. It's not perfect because, you know, there's gaps in the ground and all that. But what's the temperature of it coming in?
I'm putting 135 degree air in here right now, and that's at the end of the hose.
Okay, so I do have a couple windows open just to let some light in. So we'll see how warm it gets in the clam while we're sitting here filming.
This is on, I've got it on number 5 power level, so that's about halfway. It's generating 284 degree aluminum body heat inside the unit, and you know it's 49 degrees outside according to this. So,
and that hose coming in is supposed to not be hot to where it would melt our clam, right?
well, I mean it's a heat hose. It's designed to. I put a little barrier on it just to help make sure it doesn't melt. But maybe I'll kick it up a notch or two.
Okay, we'll check back here in a minute and see how warm it gets in here. Okay, well, we've been in the clam this morning because it's cold outside, and Sean has gotten our diesel heater set up in here. So, what is the what's the verdict? I was freezing when I got in here, and now I feel warm. So it must be warming it up.
It took no time to really warm the clam up, and I still have some vents open. Because,
we have windows open and the door open because we want some light in here.
Yeah.
But it's warmer. Even Scout stopped shivering.
Oh yeah, for sure. And normally she would be posted up right down there in front of the vent because she's so cold, but no, she's in here, she's playful. This Hcalory toolbox diesel heater, thanks Hcalory for offering to let us collaborate and check this thing out. I'm really liking it, and it's
so
a smaller footprint than some of the other ones we've looked at. really easy. And in my opinion, the app is it's super easy. I mean, it's some of these products you get have, you know, they say they have an app and you can't get it to connect or it doesn't work or whatever. This one was flawless, seamless.
So what's the verdict? What is the air temperature in here? Let me see your heat gun. What is it? What is the air temperature? I want to know what the air.
We've got it up to 69 in here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we started at like
40.
39. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it warmed the clam up 30 degrees in, you know, the course of 10-15 minutes.
Cool.
And
All right.
going strong. Now there are a couple things I might do different. The setup, the instruction manual, it's a little bit unclear as to, you know, where to hook stuff up.
Yeah, the diagram doesn't really. The diagram shows you that the hose is supposed to come out at one way, but on the diagram it looks like the opposite.
Yeah, it looks
side,
like the control panel's on the other side, so that might be a little unclear to some people. I would include, or maybe I will just go buy a little bit longer heat hose because I want to be able to extend the heat out a little bit further away from the clam. You know, if you have something might be flammable around where you're going to put it, just to get it a little further away from the exhaust. But those are like minor things.
See, Scout, where's Scout sitting? Is it warm right there? She likes the heat. Okay. Good?
Oh yeah.
Okay. That is the name it again. What's the brand?
The
model?
Hcalory, and it's the toolbox model. I think it's their newest model. I will have product description and links and everything in the description of this video. So if you're interested in a diesel heater, I don't think you can go wrong with this Hcalory toolbox.
Awesome. It's definitely going to be a great addition to our winter clam time.
Oh yeah,
sure.
100%.
Okay, thanks. All right. Take care, you guys.
Free to roll. Ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll in our